with here. It's called Northwest Passage. Some friends of mine have debated whether there's any relationship between this song and Stan Rogers' song Northwest Passage. I don't think so, but you can debate among yourselves later. 1, 2, I think I mentioned in the first set that there was some discussion, and because I normally make out the set list, that I had some influence on it. So there was a request for that song, because I love the way Peter Dawson plays the fiddle on that song. So it was my request. Okay, this is